Hello, in this video I'm going to show how we can easily connect to our GoHighLevel accounts and carry out operations like creating a contact, creating a task or creating opportunity. So I'll go straight into this. So I'm using a Telegram chat to control this. So on Make I've created my workflows. I'm setting a webhook here to receive, you know, the information from anything. So it returns the first name, last name, and the email. Then I've also connected this to my GoHighLevel account, which also creates the contacts. So I'm going to run this process again, see how it works. So once I click on run once, then on n8n I test workflow, then on chat my Telegram chat bot I send a message to create a new contact. Which is just this. Let's call this green. This is green. Then I send this. Once this is sent, then it should trigger my workflow, yes. Then triggers mix scenario. Then we can see this is created. Then you can see the output green water. Then the webhook return green water. So on my high level account, once I refresh, so it's going to take about a minute. So please be patient for this to load so we could see the output. So while this is coming up, the second way to achieve this is by using Zapier MCP URL. So we can see we have Walter Green. So we can also achieve this using Zapier MCP URL. So I have already done all of this setup I have to do, and I've added my MCP list tool and execute tool. I've done all of the necessary configurations that I have to do. So all I just have to do is to send send the prompt to create a contact, and it knows the exact tool to call even without giving it a detailed system prompt. So once I execute this, come to Telegram. Let's call this ping. Once I run this and this starts to execute, it runs the execute tool. So at this point, it is creating the contact on Go I level account, and it sends a response back that contact has been created. Walter ping at gmail.com. So if I navigate back to my high level account and I refresh, so it's also going to take a while for this to reload so we could see the effect. The third way, to achieve this is by using um, Cursor AI. So Cursor AI is also a platform that allows you to add MCP server tools. So currently I've set up my Zapier MCP tools. So which means from here I could send a message to create, let's call this purple. That's wrong. The email is going to be purple. So before I send this request, I have to confirm the previous one here. I have water pink. Then let's check for water purple. So here one amazing thing I like about MCPs is that you don't have to tell them, you don't have to give a very detailed prompts on what to do. They know the exact tool to call and they use that tool. So waiting for this to okay, connection issue. So I can just run this again. Connection issue. Okay, so it has called the tool to create a contact. It's loading. Then it has done its job, and you can see that this has been created. And if I go back to my high level account and refresh, okay, yeah, you can see what's up. So these are different. So we can see how MCPs are really making things easy out there. Thank you.